It was a calm Saturday afternoon. Emma was folding laundry in the kitchen, enjoying the soft hum of the washing machine. Her 7-year-old son, Daniel, sat in the living room surrounded by action figures and toy cars. Their house was cozy, filled with the scent of fresh cookies cooling on the counter. Across the street lived their neighbor, Karen. She had a reputation for being nosy, always peeking over fences or asking endless questions. Emma had grown used to her hovering presence but never imagined it would cross into something more intrusive. While Emma stepped into the laundry room, Daniel's sharp ears caught a noise, soft scratching, like nails dragging along glass. He turned his head toward the living room window and froze. Through the thin curtain, he saw movement. A hand. Slowly, carefully, the window lock was being nudged upward. His eyes widened in shock as the curtain shifted, revealing Karen's face pressed against the glass. "Mrs. Karen," he whispered to himself, not sure if he should believe what he was seeing. The latch clicked. The window creaked. She was climbing in. Daniel's heart pounded, but then his mom's words came rushing back. "If something feels wrong, don't wait, use the alarm. It's there to protect us." His small hands trembled as he ran to the wall panel just a few feet away. He stood on his tiptoes, reached up, and slammed the bright red button. In an instant, the silence of the house shattered. "WEO! WEO!" The piercing siren rattled the walls. Red lights flashed from the corners of the living room, pulsing like a warning beacon. Karen froze, halfway through the window frame. The sound jolted her so hard that she lost her balance and toppled backward, landing in the bushes outside. Her eyes went wide, and her cheeks flushed crimson. She scrambled to her feet, brushing off leaves and dirt, muttering, I was just checking on things." But the flashing alarm lights painted her every move in red, making her look guilty under the neighborhood's gaze. Hearing the alarm, Emma dropped the laundry basket and sprinted into the living room. "Daniel! Are you okay?" she shouted, pulling him close. He nodded, pointing toward the window. "Mom! Mrs. Karen," she tried to come inside. Emma's eyes darted to the window where Karen stood outside, caught between indignation and embarrassment. Emma's protective instincts surged. She knelt beside her son and whispered, "You did so good, sweetheart. I'm proud of you." The blaring alarm had drawn attention. One by one, doors opened and neighbors stepped outside. Mr. Harris from across the street frowned. The Johnsons peeked from their porch. Curious whispers spread quickly. What happened? Did someone break in? Wasn't that Karen in the bushes? Karen raised her hands defensively. Everyone calmed down. I was only making sure everything was fine here. But no one seemed convinced. The flashing lights, the startled child, and Emma's firm stance told the real story. Finally, Emma punched in the security code, silencing the alarm. The house fell quiet again, but the tension lingered in the air. She turned to Daniel, hugging him tightly. "You were so brave. You remembered what I taught you, and you kept us safe." Daniel smiled shyly, his little chest puffing with pride. "I just pressed the button, Mom." "That button made a big difference," she replied, kissing the top of his head. That day became a story the neighborhood never forgot. Not about the nosy neighbor who went too far, but about the courage of a child who acted fast when it mattered most.